Cut oranges into slices and cherry into small pieces. Place the orange slices and cherry pieces inside the mold. Arrange properly as shown. In a mixer, put butter and sugar, mix both on medium speed. Add 2 eggs at a time, beating well after each addition. Mix until sugar dissolves, do not overmix. Add 50% all-purpose flour and mix it. Add the balance flour and mix well. Slowly add oil and mix it well. Add baking powder and baking soda, mix it properly. Add few drops of orange color and 3 tablespoons of pure orange juice. Mix it well. Pour the batter over the oranges into the prepared pan and bake for 40 minutes in a preheated 160 degrees centigrade oven. Bake until the cake is golden brown. Bake until a toothpick inserted in the middle of the cake comes out clean. Run a knife along mold's edges to loosen it. Invert onto a platter. Peel the parchment paper away from the oranges. Allow the cake to cool completely. When ready to serve, decorate cake with chocolate, cherry and mint leaves to give a delicious and gorgeous look.
Thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We'll be back soon with another delicious recipe.